Hi there, a quick video to help you understand about the novel and extremely amazing new device called the Isolator. Now friends, Isolator is a box of 10 pieces. You have bite blocks for adult use and pediatric use along with tongue deflectors. The dark gray and the light gray ones are for adults, whilst the yellow and the orange are for pediatric use. Very quickly, let me demonstrate the use of this on a patient. Let's take a scenario where you need to work on the fourth quadrant, which means the right side of the patient's face. Because it's an adult patient, I'm going to first go ahead and take the blue bite block and I'm going to take this light gray tongue deflector. As you can see, it says 1 and 4, which means this is the tongue deflector that you use when you want to isolate either the first quadrant or the fourth quadrant, which means if you want to isolate the right side of the patient, this is the light gray tongue deflector that you will pick. The first thing you will do is hold the bite block in its anatomic position. This is the correct position. The narrow end of the bite block, which is the narrow end, right? The smaller end, this goes towards the back of the mouth. And then there is a taller end, the smoother end of the bite block, which is facing the cheek, because this helps block the parotid duct. This is the portion that faces the tongue. We have these two slots here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tongue deflector and I am going to push the tongue deflector through until it flushes with the back of the block. This is how we will prepare the bite block and the tongue deflector for isolation. Now basically what we do is ask the patient to open wide, place this into its position, bite down, and then ask the patient to push the tongue through. As the patient pushes the tongue through, you will recognize that the clearance or the space or the gap that's available on the right side is adequate. This allows you to work on this side with ample amount of isolation. Open. Now, if you need the tongue to be deflected further, which means if you need more space, more room on the right side to work, what you do is you basically push the tongue deflector further inside. You can see a small amount of the tongue deflector now showing through the cheek side. Place this into the patient's mouth, open, bite down and push your tongue through. Perfect. With the tongue deflected further, you can now see the clearance that is more than adequate on the working side. The fourth quadrant, you can go ahead, place a cheek guard, you can put a cotton roll, you can put your suction and you can work. Now, if you're doing a composite, this is a wonderful aid. If you're doing crown preparations, if you're doing scaling, anything that involves the occlusal, buccal, lingual, proximal surfaces of the posterior teeth, the bite block with a tongue deflector, that is your isolator, works as an absolute charm. Now, imagine a scenario that you want to isolate the left side, which means the second or the third quadrant. What you basically do is you go back to the kit, all right? And from the kit, you pick up the dark gray tongue deflector. As you can see, the tongue deflector says 2 or 3, which means this is the deflector that is ideally used for isolating the left side. So what I am going to do once again is I will position this anatomically. All right, as I've explained to you, the narrower side towards the back of the mouth and the taller side towards the cheek. With this in its anatomic position, I go ahead and push the dark gray one. I'm going to push it a little further. It comes out from the other side. Open, please. Place it on the right, bite and push your tongue through. And as you can clearly see, this helps isolate beautifully the left side of the oral cavity, which means any procedures on posterior teeth on the left side can now be carried on without much fear of saliva contaminating that particular area. So this is, my friends, the biggest advantage of the isolator. It doesn't just keep the mouth open so that you don't have to ask the patient to open wide, but it also deflects the tongue, allowing you to maintain isolation in the work field. And remember, all of these pieces are autoclavable, which means you can keep reusing them multiple times. Use the same philosophy for a pediatric case as well, and you are going to improve the quality of your dentistry and improve the comfort of your patient. The Isolator from MIK Dental.